Hey guys, Happy New Year. Okay, bye guys. Being in Czech, I don't have a network, so I need to leave. Guys, I'm in the streets. Ngingena nje yazi into engayithandi ngo-TikTok yazi kahle engayithandi ngo-TikTok ngiyazingenela sebeyangi-restrict ave ningangithandi shape hayi no khona abangela ngaba-understand but-ke ngisekhaya eMthwalume and ngisolwandle usuku lami lwesitebe ngizolwandle ngiyayithanda ukuswima kuyimanje-ke ukuswima emakhaya-ke guys like angithi khona abantu abadrownile past few days so asikwazi ukuyoswima but silinde kuhambe iforum-ke mase thina thank you so much silinde kuhambe iforum unjani mancolosi unjani ncolosi silinde kuhambe iforum mase-ke siyaphinda-ke siyoswima cause mina ngiyakuthanda ukuswima and kumele kucace ukuthi yini engisukele eGoli kumele ngiswime hayi bona lapho kubuza ikhokhi cha uTikTok kunedrama buka uzophinda uku-restrict noma ufike unuke uTikTok mina ngu-understand I-was Coca-Cola guys bengifaka eglasini nama-ice so angisazi ngenze njani. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you too. Ngiyaphila Ncolosi. Othi ngitshengise la ngikhona. Thank you so much Dolo. Ngiyabonga. Hayi angisebenzisa kusumanje sini. Bemele ngabusebenzise leli. Liphela boy. Ileli. Ilable. Bemele ngabusebenzise la boy, right? Okay, bengifuna ukutshengisa view la ngikhona guys like Semthwalume beach and safika sena masolo thina kulo mcolo safika sesimezitha safika sena masolo thina kulo mculo awubheke sesimezitha. Ngiyabonga Ntondo. Kambe uyithanda kanjani ikhamera? Flip. Ngiyabonga.
Wake up, Africa, the time is now. Wake up, Africa, the time is now. Must be done again.
We're gonna live together. Yeah, guys, I'm with my siblings, by the way. Like, they're shy. Mama njani ngiyaphila wena labo hamba ungahleki unyake kuhamba kahle unyake nomusha. Yes Mthembu KZN. Oh ngiyajabula ukwazi Mthembu kuhamba kahle bra. No worries. Uhamba kahle KZN Tedizeni uhamba kahle kuze kodwa guys iselona lana bafo ngila eMthwalume beach South Coast nenzani zero ubani zero wenzani vele. You sweet, thank you so much. Thank you, appreciate. Oh, ezweni sishilile silawulwandle kumnandi. Yabo singitshengise like bruh. I'm enjoying here. so much, Dolo. Yo, bro, South Room indawo zami phela lezo. Okay guys, bye. I need to end my live. Like man complain kanjani ngazi. But ke vele bengahleli kakhulu. Kufanele ngiphindele emumva kweswim. So isigodolo seqala ukugodola. Woza. Asasihleli isikhathi eside ke lana ne. If you wanna come, we can come. I'm saying I end the live, ne?